Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Renal artery stenosis. In renal artery stenosis, the kidney is supplied by the renal artery. If this renal artery is stenosed due to whatever the reason is, then this develops renal artery stenosis. Because renal artery stenosis, you can see this renal vessels are only seen by the digital subtraction angiography. So for diagnosis of the lesion, we should do digital subtraction angiography. Can be done. Digital subtraction angiography after giving an intravenous contrast medium is important. And but intraarterial angiography is the gold standard technique if there is for the diagnosis of renal artery stenosis. So the gold standard is intra-arterial angiography, but digital subtraction angiography will also help us to diagnose the renal artery stenosis. Then intravenous pyelography.
thank you and thank you for watching.